Hey gang, I just wanted to do another quick little tutorial video just for something that some of you might not know about in our e-learning course site, and that's how you can receive notifications if I post maybe a new news item or I post a new video or maybe a grade was released. So I just wanted to share, if you go to the course homepage to this news little drop down arrow and you go to notifications, then this screen's going to pop up, and under contact methods it's going to say register or enter a cell phone number. So I already entered mine, so that's why you're able to see that there. But you're going to enter your cell phone number. I would just leave it on no limit as far as messages a day. But then once you get that set in there, if you scroll down further, you can then click on if you want to receive a text message for different things posted here. So for example, like I was saying, if you have a grade item that I release the grade, or I update a letter grade, or I updated maybe a news item, or I put a new news item up, like I said, that's probably where I'll post a lot of my videos. If there's an assessment or a test that you're taking, it'll be notifying you within 4 days. But in addition to that, you can also receive emails. But I just wanted to share with you the option to get that text message too for certain things, because sometimes that prompts you to get in right away and check something out if something new has been posted. And being that we're going to be using this course site a lot for the next few weeks, that might be a good idea for you to do. So just FYI, that is there, and I would definitely update that. Lastly, I know I had about 4 or 5 of you that I was supposed to be doing our face-to-face office hour on Wednesday, but now that the college is completely closed, we're not going to be able to meet. So what I'd like to do is just have each of you give me a call on my cell phone during your scheduled time. Okay, so those of you, I think it's Anna, and maybe who else? Bill, and I think it was Keela maybe. I can't remember for sure off the top of my head, but for those of you that know you're supposed to be meeting with me, go ahead and give me a call. The rest of you, I know we were going next week, but if you want to maybe give me a call as well throughout the day on Wednesday, that would be fine. So we can at least talk over the phone one-on-one about your progress in the class, and maybe if you have questions about your client and what's to come. So you've got my phone number. Again, right here you can see it. It's 989-791-1148. So give me a call on Wednesday, and we can talk over the phone for that office hour. So as always, you got my number. Text me, call me, email me, and I will respond as quickly as possible. And let's get through this together. Have a good night.